The way that USDC works is,
Ano ang maximum supply ng PHPC? And meron na ba kayong mga pangalan ng mga bangko sa Pinas na willing tumanggap? Parang magandang question yon. Ako, baka may NDA ka dyan, ha? Pero why not? May mga tips kami sa'yo. Go ahead, please.
the way that our stablecoin works is we're only allowed to mint when there is someone who deposited a fiat, right? So in essence, the way that the smart contract would work is it will not be dependent on, because some smart contracts you can programmatically put the maximum supply, right? The way that USDC works is we only mint USDC when someone deposits a US dollar. So it will be similar to that. Obviously, there are some, because this is in a sandbox environment, there will be some frameworks around how many we can mint on this sandbox environment. But obviously, we have an intention of like growing that pie as we gain more traction. No? I'm sure, like if we show BSP na people are saving